Hi Royalties, welcome back to the Queen of DIY, and I am Tammy, the host of the channel, and today I am presenting to you my Copper Crystal and Christmas Tablescape that I am co-hosting. But before we get into that, if you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, I need you to hit that subscribe button. Now what you'll get on the Queen of DIY, you'll get high-end luxe and glam DIYs, you'll get over-the-top glamorous revamps, you'll get coffee table stylings, you'll get tablescapes, you'll get home decor, and a few room tours. If this sounds like what you're looking for, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that bell twice. Alright, now we're going to jump right into this Copper, Crystal, and Christmas Tablescape. Christmas Tablescape is hosted by the lovely Miss Stacy of Styling with Stacy, and she asks myself, Tammy of the Queen of DIY, the co-host. She asks Robin of It's Just Me Robin, Sandra of LevelsOfStyleWithSandra, and Monica from Monet Collections. Please make sure you check out these ladies' channels. Also, check out that playlist link. Alright everyone, I begun by layering my table with that silver sequence tablecloth. Now all four of my plate settings are the same. And I started with that red charger, those crushed glass plate and salad plate. I have my utensils in semi-traditional form. That napkin ring with that Christmas napkin ring holder. I have my rhinestone glass only in both centers, and the ones on the end are clear. And I topped it with my copper water glasses. Now with my centerpiece, I started with that red table runner, and on the right side you will see that 3-tiered candle holder with those copper DIY candles, and I just have one red ornament on here. Now on the opposite end I have my Decor ball holder tray, and I have just Christmas ornaments in there, and I raised it to pop of copper there. And those are my 2 copper ornaments on the table. With my orange fillers, I have my other vase, and I just have it loaded with balls. Now my 2 candle holders are my crystal candle holders. I just have the bowls on them. Now let's talk about this centerpiece. I took my vase and I loaded it with red and silver sprays. She is so gorgeous, looking at her with your natural eyes. But this actually concludes my Copper Crystal and Christmas collaboration challenge. I have my 2 copper ornaments, and I have copper water glasses and copper candles on the table. All right, I hope you enjoyed what I created for this Copper Crystal and Christmas Tablescape challenge.